What's going on, LFG fishing? Hope y'all having a blessed day. Just really want to come over here for a short message before the video actually start. We headed back out to the little ponds that we normally fish. Yesterday I had a good time at it was a new location in the Baytown area. And I'm supposed to be going back there probably tomorrow morning. We're gonna fish that area, but for the most part, that water is, it's a little different from the previous areas I've been fishing. And the water is deep, the water is dark, and the water is deep. I know I said that a bunch of times, but that water is, when I say deep, so you got to find certain baits to dive down at that depth, in order to get down there with a fish at. But besides that, today is real cloudy. It kind of look like it's about to rain. Got a big gray cloud right here, but we still gonna go out here and try to test something out. Even if it start raining, we'll still try to stick it out. Hopefully it don't rain too much. But out here I noticed that there's no really trees surrounding the pond, so for the most part inside of the pond it's a whole lot of green what I would say, algae or whatnot, green grass, seaweed, whatever you want to call it. It's real bright green. So that explains why most of the fish are attracted to brighter colors when it comes to me throwing in the water darker colors and them not being attracted to it. As soon as I throw something lime green or bright green, red, white, they come hit it right away. It's because they it's a brighter environment around this particular pond. So I went to the one out here in the Baytown area and fished that one for about an hour and a half, and I caught 2 yesterday. But they weren't attracted to any of the bright colors. They were mostly attracted to the darker colors, which was like the dark green, the black, the kind of like dark orange or brownish looking colors that they was attracted to at the pond. But the reason for that, it's a whole lot of trees surrounding that area, and those trees are brown, green. My house a little kind of yellowish looking on the tree, on the leaves or whatnot. So, whenever you choose to pick your bait, you just want to make sure you're picking your bait for that fishing environment. All right, y'all, we're at the academy now. So the baits that I use, I'm trying to get is something that's gonna dive deep. I already got a bunch of top water, so I'm really gonna focus on things that's diving deep. And this is what we got right here. This is the options we got. All these baits right here. I don't know why this thing is not on auto. See a few jig heads that I want to try. Original lure. The shad head. Got some more shad head that we're gonna try. It's 3 ounce weights. We got 1/2 ounce. So that's really what we're gonna go for. Probably get some of these. Test them out. 3/8 into the basket, There. Let's try the other side real quick. Let's get some of these Strike Kings. Got some of these glitter time. We'll go with the black ones. They was interested in the dark stuff, so what we got right here. This look nice. all these, really. I'm gonna grab some of these too, man. Yeah, they just got these put out, so try these. Try this one. They somewhat the same, but different. There's a bunch of jigs on this side. These baits. What we got right here? Baby brush hog. We need the big brush hogs. I feel like there's gonna be some monsters in there. We definitely going back for sure, for sure. Get the big brush hog. Swim baits, you can't go wrong with swim baits, big ones. Like this right here, this size. I feel like they'll probably hit off these zooms. You know, this size swim bait, so we probably grab some of these. A little green. Let's try the ones with the kind of red in them. We're gonna grab these. And I ran out of these, so we're gonna grab these too. I'm down to my last. You good? I think we had these before. Swim baits. I want no white ones. We got those already. This would probably be for the other pond, but we'll go ahead and grab these two. Them swim baits. Top water, I got a bunch of top water. Crawfish, good. Yum, smoky gray. I think I got those already. These black worms, black and blue. I think we'll try these right here. I feel like these will do good out there at this spot. We'll grab these. I want a longer worm too. Need to see if they got some 18 times. I'm really not seeing any with long tails like talking about. They just got dark colors on this one. What is this? That one got some big tails. Let me grab this one. Yeah, there was another long one. I don't want the blue one though. I want the... We really just bait shopping right now at this point. Really just bait shopping. Got a bunch of hooks. Everything that we need, really. Got everything we really need. But now it's time to get to the crankbait side, man. Come on. Here we go. Got a little offset hooks. Grab some of these. Probably should get the bigger ones, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get the bigger size. Go with these boys. Size 4s. And then I think this could be for my crawfish tails right here. But I need something with a bigger weight on it. Need the ones with the bigger weight. I am not seeing them right now. Not seeing them right now. I guess we'll go with these then. Oh, never mind. That's too small. Be wasting money. Swim bait jig heads. It's half. And grab these. They got the gold ones, got the white ones, half. So we really can just throw these on. I got a bunch of weights already. These look nice. These look like blue with the blue tail. Bag getting kind of full, man. Basket getting full, y'all. Yums. I think I got a bunch of lizards already.